Alright, we got this one we got to install. There's a pole, 4x4 right around here. That'll be mounting to. Right there next to the tank. Mount it right on the side of it. Bring the cable around that way. I'm going to put it right in this room, and there's little gaps on each one of these. We're going to bring it as low as possible. We're going to bring it up underneath and then stick it in there and screw it to right there so it won't be moved. That way when rain goes on the wire, it actually droops down that way and drops off. It actually won't run in. So let's get this one mounted on the pole. Get the wire on it, get it stuck in there, because we got one more to do. And then vacation starts. Alright, now we got the wire mounted to the CPE. Now we just got to mount it on this side. And point it like that, mountain right there on the side. Pretty much point it right there. And that'll be pointing to the AP. So let's get this mounted on the pole here and get the wire inside. Got the CPE up on the pole, got it clamped down, got the wire going over. Drip loop down there, needs it, goes right in there. Now let's get inside, connect it, and program and get to the next one. I'm programming the CPE right now to get it to connect, doing a firmware. As soon as I get it all programmed, then I'll plug it back into the air cube, and this has already been programmed for PoE, so then I'll just log back into the air cube and set up the device name, password, and all that. And then we should have internet. Well, she got her 60. This app has been messing up lately. It'll max out where it's supposed to be, then all of a sudden it'll start dropping. I don't know why, but they need to fix it. Let's try a different one. .60 and 4 is what it's supposed to be, and that's what we get, and this is wireless as well. Nice.